how to delete your Arlo Security account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, remove your devices. For that, you can actually open your Arlo application, or you can actually get into the arlo.com too. So just make sure that you are logged into your account, and then from there you can actually get into my devices, select each devices, and then you can tap on remove device and remove each and every devices that is currently connected. Then from there you can simply cancel off this subscription. You can actually get into arlo.com, and then make sure, like I said, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from there you can actually get into the settings, and then you can tap on subscription and then cancel your subscription like that. Then after doing that, on the application or website, you can get into settings again, and then you can tap on account, and then from there you can tap on edit account. Then you can delete the account, tap on delete account and confirm it with password in order to finalize the deletion. And that is exactly how you'll be able to delete your Arlo Security account permanently.